Okay, quick thought experiment. Imagine rewinding the universe like a movie. Galaxies scoot back together, stars unform, atoms unwind. Keep going, and everything that exists compresses into something unbelievably hot, dense, and small. That rewind is what the Big Bang is all about. Here's the clean version in simple steps. Step 1. What actually banged? It wasn't an explosion in space. It was the rapid expansion of space. No center, no edges. Everywhere expanded at once. Think of raisins in rising bread dough. The raisins don't explode, the dough, space, stretches, and everything moves apart. Step 2. The key evidence. Evidence A. Galaxies are redshifted. Their light is stretched to longer wavelengths because space is expanding, which makes distant galaxies look like they're moving away. Evidence B. The cosmic microwave background, CMB. It's a faint afterglow from about 380,000 years after the Big Bang, filling the whole sky at about 2.7 Kelvin. It's remarkably uniform, with tiny ripples that seeded galaxies. Evidence C. The recipe of the early universe. In the first few minutes, the hot soup forged mostly hydrogen, some helium, and a dash of lithium. Those exact ratios match what we measure today. Step 3. The fast timeline. At T-0-ish, physics as we know it gets fuzzy. Very, very early, the universe underwent super-fast growth called inflation. At microseconds, quarks and gluons lock into protons and neutrons. Minutes in, hot, dense, and bright, nuclei form. That's Big Bang nucleosynthesis. Hundreds of thousands of years. It cools enough for electrons to join nuclei, atoms form. Light can finally travel freely. That light is the CMB. Hundreds of millions of years, the first stars ignite, galaxies assemble, black holes grow. Billions of years, the universe keeps expanding, faster now, thanks to something we call dark energy. Today, 13.8 billion years after the start, we're here wondering about it. Step 4. Common misconceptions. Explosion into empty space? Nope. Space itself expanded. A tiny dot inside the universe? The dot was the universe. There was no outside space to expand into. Big Bang explains everything. It explains the evolution from hot, dense beginnings. The very first instant, why there's something rather than nothing, still an open question. Step 5. How we know we're not guessing. Multiple independent measurements agree, redshifts map expansion. The CMB's spectrum is a perfect thermal curve. Light element abundances match predictions. We've also mapped tiny temperature ripples in the CMB that line up with how structures grew over time. Step 6. Why it matters. This model turns the night sky into a history book. Every photon from a distant galaxy is old news racing through expanding space, telling us what the universe was like long ago. The farther we look, the earlier we see. Quick recap. Not an explosion, but expansion. Evidence. Redshift. Evidence. CMB. Evidence. Light elements. Timeline. Hot, dense, beginning to stars and galaxies. To us. Open questions. The first instant. Open questions. Dark matter. Open questions, dark energy, and that's the Big Bang. Clean, simple, and honestly, kind of beautiful. If rewinding the universe helps us understand it, then pressing play is our job. Keep learning, keep testing, keep asking better questions. Thanks for hanging out.